What should you do if you are facing an insurance appraisal, but the policy language is very unfavorable to the insured? Sometimes it says we don't have to go to appraisal if we don't want to. And two, if you, the insured, win the appraisal, we, the insurance company, don't have to pay. How fair is that? Chris, what would you do? What would you recommend? Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. Thoughts on that? Like, what are you running into as the claims manager?
Yeah, it's one of those things. I am seeing that a lot. I'm seeing a lot more strict appraisal clauses, and every claim in every situation is different.
Right.
Meaning that you definitely want to have a professional look at, like, okay, where you're at. If you're a general contractor, where you're at in the situation. If you decide to push appraisal, have a professional look at it because it's just another opinion that come back and says,
Yeah.
well, you might not get this because of what they have in the estimate, what they have in the appraisal clause, but you might get
Right.
this. Can that still work?
Yeah.
So
And
there's a lot of different things.
you bring up a really good point. If you were a GC and you have an insured, instead of you advising them that might be stepping over the line, you'd want to get somebody like us involved that we can interpret and read the policy language and then also see, hey, what are you guys going after? What is needed that isn't being paid? And how can we marry those two things up? Because sometimes you might not have coverage for that. And you, as a contractor, might not know how to interpret the policy, nor should you be doing that with the insured. But we sure can, and we can help you with that. So, what I want you to do is let us know. Visit us at bellatorclaims.com and we can guide you through the process and tell you, hey, the policy language is very unfavorable. These are kind of the risks that you're running into. Or, hey, the policy language is very favorable and these are the benefits that you might see under that because of this insurance company or the insurance policy. So, we want you guys to know that we appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching our content. We have gotten so much good feedback. That's why we continue to do these. And so please do us a favor, comment on the video if you like it,
Mhm.
and then share it with the world, share it with somebody that needs to know, and then give us a thumbs up by liking this video. But
And
do us a
subscribe.
favor, subscribe to our channel because we're trying to reach a million insureds and contractors that need our help because the insurance companies are becoming even more tough to deal with. And we had mentioned this on a previous episode, but I just read the Houston Chronicle said that 50% of property claims in Texas went zero paid last year. That is a
Mhm.
huge number.
Yeah, it's huge.
So it's getting harder, it's getting more difficult, and we just want you guys to know that we're here to help you. Visit us at bellatorclaims.com.